Oh, we're picking up some wind and some rain. We got them monsoons are going again. Thank goodness. Maybe it'll cool this air off and rinse the dirt out of the air. All that smoke coming from the Grand Canyon. What? What? You get that barking out of your system. Yes, you get that barking out of your system. Yes, you get that barking out of your system. I don't want you barking tonight. Yep. Oh. Spoiled brats. Hey, you guys enjoy the weather. It's cooling off here in Arizona now. We got a little bit of a monsoon going. Hopefully it pours. Have a good evening.